Okay.
You know how to create. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So
It's okay.
you have,
It's
yes, you have to click here. Go to the Exchange Admin Center. You can see groups here. Click on the groups. You can find the BCom. This one you created in Teams, correct?
yes, yes.
Double click. Now we are going to add members. See, owner is already there. I am the creator and this is the teacher. There will be also the member.
Okay.
Okay, click on
Okay.
member, add member. Now click on these three dots. Advanced search. When you go to advanced search, you can see department.
Okay.
Correct. Click on the
Okay.
department. Type the department name. See, department name here is BCom FT.
B Biko FT2019.
Yes. When I put the BCom FT 2019 here and search, I will get all the students in this class.
Okay.
Okay. This is
Okay.
testnet, so it is not coming here. So what you have to do is you have to search, click on the department, type the department name.
Okay.
I will just show you uh, which classes are there. I will just put this department now. Okay, for your purpose, I'm showing you.
Okay.
Now I have added two users. Correct. Now I go over here, members, three dots, advanced search, department.
Ad, admin.
Three dots, advanced search, department. See now, the two student who has this department, okay, has come. What I have to do is select all, Control A. I have to select and Control A. You can see uh, if the students are more than 50. If the students are more than 50, if the students are more than 50, you will see an option. Okay, list. You have to drop down and you have to mention as something different so that all the users will be added. What you have to do is Control A. select here and control A. All will be selected. Okay, select, you can see selected 2 of 2. You have to check this. You have selected all the users or not. After selecting, filtering and selecting, you have to add. Okay, and okay, you can see all the users has been come here.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and you have to save. You have missed one user. Okay, save. After adding all the users, you have to save. If there is any members already, you don't remove any members because they are owners. Okay,
Okay.
each owner should be first member, then only he can become owner. So see, now it is saving completed successfully. So we have to okay
Okay.
for one for one uh, for one class. You have to add user for one time only. After that, here, see here, you have created one class and one subject for this class. You can
Okay.
go and see the members. Check once again the members. Okay. Mm, You can also see in admin center all the users has been added. Admin center groups. You can see that BCom group, and when you click, you can see the members.
Okay.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Now it will be reflecting here, but I'm using a web version, so it is taking some time to reflect. Yeah, once this reflect, what you have to do is you go into the teams again. Now you want to create a class for same class but a different subject. Correct. You don't
Yes.
need to follow each and every step. What you have to do is create. Okay. Again, create a class one. Now use this option, create using an existing theme template.
Okay.
You will get all this list. Now I have to create from BCom English. Okay, I have to
Okay.
create this for this class. I have to create max. So I will choose this team. Okay, there are 2 members. We have added 2 members. No, it will
Yes.
be, we have to add that members also. Click next. We we have to correct the name. The name to maths now. Okay, and
Okay.
create. Now you no need to add the members once again. No need to create all this again and again. What you have to
Okay.
do is, after creating, you have to add the teacher. See here, all the members are came here. I want to add the max teacher here, so I
Okay.
will add the max teacher and add it. Okay, add the max teacher, close. See,
Okay.
now when you
Can
go
we
in
remove? Can we remove the other teacher?
yes, see, other teacher will be not there.
Okay.
See here, the other teacher will be member here. Sorry, this is the teacher in the first group. She will be
Okay.
not a teacher, she will be a member. So if you want, you can remove the
Okay.
teacher here. That's it.
Okay.
Simple way. And after some time, it will reflect on all the members. Okay, it will take some time and it will reflect. Okay, here, and you can see the other. Now we have English, Maths. You can go. Okay, it is. Okay, it is taking some time. Okay,
Okay.
it will reflect definitely because it is there in the members. Now again, if you want to create another subject for this same class, you create again, you select the create template, again the BCom one, choose the team. Now you change into, now you now you change into physics.
Okay.
Okay, likewise, see members too will be, you have to include the members also. So you no need to go to the exchange admin again and again, add the members. You change the name, add the members, and create a group. After creating a group, provide the staff that is responsible for this subject, and remove the English teacher from
Okay.
members. So
Uh,
I will do this one. This is the staff for physics. Sorry, I have added in the student. Click on the teacher and type and add. Now teacher is added. Students are already there. Okay,
okay.
close. When you go to members, you can see this. This is the teacher in the max. Okay, so we
Okay.
will remove this teacher from the member. Now you can see physics teacher and the principal here. For example, let us, or the admin.
Okay.
Okay, other members will be included. Likewise, you can create one class subject, and then you can copy that, so that it will be very helpful for you not to add each and every time.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Excuse me. Now we can create any number of classes like this.
Yes.
Okay. Can you just show how to create the first class once more?
Okay. See here, go to the teams, create,
Okay.
create the team, select the class. Here you go here. No, you have to directly give the name. Where you
Okay.
find the name is here. Okay. The department
Okay.
name will be the
Department
class.
names we gave.
Yes, department name will be the class name. If you want to change it somewhat,
We can select any name, right?
yes. But why I'm using that is, we have the list, so it will be very easy to compare.
Yeah. Actually, what is the thing is that for documentation purpose, BCom CA 2019 is easy, but it will be difficult for students. So maybe we will be giving fifth semester BCom, things like
Yeah,
that.
you see you can do that. Okay, if you are
Okay.
doing that, just mention here for BCom. For this one, I'm giving the team name as, sorry. Okay,
Okay.
department name. For this department, I will be English. Sorry, fifth or fifth sem.
So yeah.
Likewise, you can give. If you
Okay. Okay.
if you see here, okay, for this team name, this is the department.
Okay.
So it will be very helpful for you. You
Okay.
maintain a record and work it accordingly. So it will
Okay.
be very easy for you to track. So here
Okay.
you have created this team. Now you have to add the teacher only.
Okay. We can add any number
Okay,
of
become
teachers, right?
yes, yes. Who is
Okay.
responsible for English? For example, one teacher, two
For
teachers. You can
there
add.
will there will be two teachers teaching each paper. That's in
Yeah,
our
you can.
case.
Yeah, you can add.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So
Okay.
after that, you know, correct? Add the teacher. I'm adding two teacher as you said. Three teacher. Okay.
Okay.
Added the teacher. Okay. And closing it. And I'm going here for this group. I will be having. Now this is become CA 2018 group. Okay. Go to members.
Okay.
Add three dots. Advanced. Department name. Search the department name. Filter the students. And select and control A. Okay. When you
Okay.
select control A, when I said if the students are more than 50, okay, when you select it will only show 50 out of 402.
Okay.
So what you have to do here is click here, select 500. Okay, so again select here and control A. Now you will select all the users and add.
Okay.
Okay, and okay,
Okay.
save. So that all the user will be added to that group. After that, you can clone that group for other subjects.
Okay.
Let's see now it is reflecting or not. Usually, sometime it will take 2 to 4 hours to reflect from exchange to teams. So to confirm, you can check here in groups, admin center. You have groups. In groups, you can see
Each team will be each subject will be recorded as a separate group, right?
yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Now I have added 400 user in become CA. I go here
Okay.
and I can see all. It will show me all the members. Yeah, all the members are added, but it will take some time to reflect onto your teams. Also,
Okay.
when you clone this team, I create again one. Okay, now I'm going to clone this, the class team, and create using this one. Become not this one. Yeah, this one, English. I select this one, choose, see here, it will show the members, overall members how much. If it is reflecting, you can add and create.
Okay.
Okay, and wait for some time so that it will all the members of that group will be reflected. Likewise, you can create. Is that clear?
Yes. Yes. One also we can uh, add different classes into one team also, right? By
Different.
we can we add BCom CA 2019 and BCom FT 2019 into one group?
Okay, you can create. Okay, you can create, but you have to be careful what you are adding and what is the team. Okay,
That is for the purpose of combined classes that I am asking.
okay. Then you have to mention and you have to add. Okay, for example, this is for CA 2018 Tamil or English. Okay, if you are
Okay.
using combined class, you give the name combined class or class BCom slash or BCom and other other classes that you have. See, when I create 11, it means that it is all combination of A, B, C. Okay. If I
Okay.
create 8A, it is for only for 8A students.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Likewise, you can create.
Okay.
Is that clear?
It is clear.
Okay.
I have
You have
one. So uh, only this much is the role of administrator, but other things are done by teachers.
yes. See, you create and give the group.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Once you once you enter
there
into the group, ah, we
there
showed
I
you
have one doubt.
we showed you the demo. That is to be performed by the teachers.
Okay. In that case, I have one doubt about setting these meetings. How
Okay.
I have you told about creating some channels and all.
Yes.
So can you just show two things: how to set a meeting and
See,
also how to set a
now
webinar?
as an admin, you have created and given to the teacher.
Yeah.
Okay. Now teacher get into the class. Okay. What they have to do is they have to create the channel. For example, I know I'm going to take a topic called quantum physics,
Okay.
and okay,
Okay.
I'm going to create. And if I want the teacher is know all these things, correct? Teacher want to create the title or lesson one, quantum physics.
Okay.
When she acts, it will be created. Now, for each and every topic, she will be creating a channel. After
Okay.
creating a channel, she has to invite the students to classes. What she does, go to calendar, create a meeting, okay, and
Okay.
in meeting she will select the channel
Okay.
physics. Wait a moment. See here, become physics. Here, the teacher has created the channel. So
Okay.
the teacher is going to take this lesson for the student, and this channel is purpose for that only. So she select this and give the topic lesson one quantum physics date and send to the
Okay.
student. So every student will notify that they have the class for physics and the topic they are going to discuss on lesson one. So what they will do, they will understand and they will join. Okay,
Okay.
once they join, all this meeting, okay, all the things that they discuss will be here. Like if the teacher say hi, or if the teacher is assigning an assignment from general, okay, all will be routed in this. So it will be separate. For quantum physics, it will be separate. For
Okay.
atomic physics, it will be separate. Lesson to atomic physics. When a teacher want to assign an assignment on atomic physics, so she will click on the lesson to atomic physics and post the assignment. So everything will be separate, and everything will be in not collided. So everything will be in track. For that
Okay.
only we are creating. You understand?
Okay. Your channel is equivalent to a topic, right?
Yes, yes. Topic that is going to be taken in the class. So
Okay.
next time, before creating this, teacher has to create the channel and she has
Okay.
to provide. So when principal, see here, principal or someone will have this access, no. So this teacher will take the class, and when principal logins, they also have the access to view the class.
Okay. Boy. Hello, are you there? Hello,
This
hello.
yeah. So when principal comes inside, she can see. Okay, when she get into this lesson one, she can see. Okay, the student and teacher had discussion on this topic, and teacher has assigned the assignment. Okay, she has created the next lesson for the next week. All these things will be reviewed by any other principal or other teacher. Okay.
That
That-
will be the owner, right?
Yes.
Owner of the class can review the activities.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
For example, this is the teacher and
Yeah.
this is principal or HOD, someone, okay, who has the access when they want to review something in
Okay.
this class, they can come and they can review. Also, when student enters, he will also have this access to the channel. Okay, then he
Okay.
will
Okay.
or his parents will also know that teacher has completed this lesson on so and so date, and she had given the assignment in this area. So everything will be
Okay.
separate and everything will be recorded.
Okay.
Okay, this is the purpose. Is that clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay.
One more thing. Uh,
Mhm.
After our last meeting, I had tried to create a live chat, a live streaming
Okay.
with my colleagues, but it worked. But the thing is that I didn't actually get the screen. The
You
others got, but I didn't get the screen.
see, you are streaming your screen. Okay.
Yeah.
If you see your screen,
How we will give the different types of permissions and set different types of permissions and all waiting rooms, things like that.
okay, see, live meeting, there is no permission.
Okay. Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Live meeting, you will give your live your speech. They can only view, and they have the
Okay.
Q&A option. They can
Okay.
view they can write their type their answer and give the question to the presenter. Presenter
Okay.
will type the answer. This is how
Okay.
the live streaming will work. In that,
Okay.
hmm,
For our purpose, we need meeting then in order to
you
interact.
can see here. You can create a meeting. Okay,
Okay.
click here. Okay, create a channel for teachers. Okay,
Okay.
you create a team here. Okay,
Okay.
create create a team for staff. Okay,
Okay.
you put this as staff. Add all the staff member here one by one, or your wish how you will do. You add all the staff member. Hello. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
you
Okay.
add all the staff members.
Okay.
Close. See now, who created this staff account will be the owner.
Okay.
Okay, all other will be member.
Okay.
All the staff will be member. Principal or admin will be the owner. Now, if you want to conduct any kind of meeting, for example, you can create channels. Add channel for admin discussion. Okay,
Okay.
discussion. I'm adding a channel. Okay, for adding another channel. Staff meeting. Likewise, what are the purpose I want to discuss with staff? I can create channel. Now, when I want to conduct a staff meeting as a principal, okay, what or
Okay.
admin, I will go here, select, okay, and in channel, I will go to the staff staff group. Okay, I'm going
Okay.
to conduct staff meeting. So I will select this and put the title, date, so that they will know the date when it's going to be conducted. Okay,
Okay.
so that all the staff in that group will be notified. This is the purpose of channels in
Okay. Okay. Okay.
you understand no now how
Yeah.
this use.
Yeah. Yeah. It's okay. I understood.
Is that clear now?
Yeah. It's clear.
Okay.
Okay.
Any other queries?
Okay. How while conducting, how can we conduct a webinar using this platform?
Webinar not possible here.
Not. Okay.
You
But
can do meeting. See,
I
you can do
recently,
meeting. You
I
can like,
recently, hello.
yeah.
I recently attended a webinar using this Teams platform done by another college.
Okay.
Okay, that's why I am asking this
See
question too.
webinar. See webinar. How you registered to the webinar?
I registered
You got
as
the
a
link.
guest.
Okay. You got the link. You attended as
Yeah,
a guest, correct?
yeah, yes, yes.
See, that can be done in live streaming,
Okay,
live event. See here. Go here. Click here. Live event. When you create
okay,
live event, you will get a link. When you share to everyone, they will uh, get the live streaming or a webinar. You can say that as webinar. But the
yeah,
technical term here in webinar is they will be giving a link. Okay,
yeah,
what the user publicly they will give. They will won't send any link to each and everybody. They will post in
okay,
their website. Who are interested, click the link, provide their information. Okay.
okay. That is actually live streaming.
Yes. No.
Okay,
That is webinar. Okay.
okay,
They will provide the information and register.
okay,
After registering, they will be given with the webinar link.
okay,
Here, what you can do is you can create a live streaming, and you can share to all the members who want, or you can put
okay.
into your website. Who want can join on that live streaming, live event. Okay.
Uh, if we create a meeting, is it fine?
See, why we are creating live event and a meeting. Meeting will support 250 members only maximum.
Okay,
If you want your audience are more than 250, for example, 5,000 users,
okay,
so you can use live event.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
The
okay,
live event can support up to 10,000 members in one time.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Is that clear?
yeah. It's clear. It's clear.
Any questions, queries?
It seems fine. Now I'm not having any questions. Maybe
Okay.
after trying out,
Yes. You
I
can
don't know.
write down an email. Okay, with all your queries.
Okay.
If you face any query, you can write down an email. So I can.
Excuse me. We know how some thing to ask.
Yeah.
A class role or if HODs are types for creating
No,
classes.
your voice is not clear, Vinny.
Okay. He was asking. Only can teachers also create their classes?
Yes.
Okay, they have the right. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
They can.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. That
Okay.
was his
See,
question.
see, another thing, everyone, student can also create the group, a team. If you
Okay.
want to restrict, okay, what you do, you create a group, okay, or
Okay.
you create a list of staff who can create this group and
Okay.
give it to me. What I will do, I will create a security group and run a script. so that only the group member, that is what the list you are giving. Okay, for example, you have 100 staff. Out of 100 staff, you don't want 100 staff to create the group. Only 50 staff have the access to create. Understand?
Okay.
If you give that 50 staff to me, I will form a group, security group, that is totally different. Okay, I will create a
Okay.
group. I will give the access to that 50 members to create a group. Other
Okay.
members, that is students, other 50 remaining 50 staff cannot create group.
Okay.
Okay, for example, if you want 100 staff member also to create, only student should not create. You can share that list to me. I will create a group with that, and I will block all the students.
Okay.
Okay, in the email you can send me so that it will be blocked.
Okay.
Oh. Any other queries?
No, it's fine.
Okay, see, I don't want to stuff everything in one single thing. Okay, you go try, you face challenges. Okay, in understanding
Okay.
also, while you're doing, you will have your own idea. Do
Okay.
that. If you are facing any challenges, you write an email or drop an email to me. I will help you in reverting that.
Okay.
If it is with the article, I will share you article. If it is not possible, I want to say in person, then I will help you by calling you. Or if you want,
Okay.
we can have a meeting. Okay,
Okay.
to discuss.
Okay.
So you have
Okay.
all the list, not one by one. You have all the list. Then we will have a discussion. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Just update this.
This recording will be shared with us, right?
Yes, I will share.
Okay.
But
Okay.
but
Thank you.
but it will be happen tomorrow only, not today.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Okay. It's fine.
because I have back-to-back meetings. I have to go there, and then only tomorrow only I will be free. Then
Uh,
only I will share it.
by what time it will be possible?
Tomorrow in second half you will be having 2 o'clock 3 o'clock you will be having your recording.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Oh, any other questions?
No, it's okay for time being. Let's
Oh,
try something, and uh, if there is some problem, we will contact you.
sure. It will be appreciated if you drop an email that we have
Uh,
conducted the admin overview. Okay, so that it will be notified from my management that I have given the training for the first level.
okay.
Okay,
Sure. Okay.
okay,
Thank you.
okay.